name's Brian. Head up the uMhlanga UIP. It's a collection of property owners, businesses and residents that collaborate with the municipality, uMhlanga Wildlife and other authorities really to create awesome public spaces. Today's a story about Hope Realised, the project that started 6 years ago and now coming to fruition, and in joint efforts with uMhlanga that's here today. It's really about calling on community to roll out what we've started, which is the first 81 meters of potentially a 1 kilometer boardwalk that provides community, all community, whether you arrive in a Bentley or a taxi, doesn't matter, to really get back out into nature and celebrate a great asset. So come down, be part of this, come drop a zapper, or gold at 100,000, silver at 50,000, or bronze at 25k. But if you're not required to contribute, but if you can, you'll be part of a solution. Thanks.
Down on the uMhlanga Promenade this morning, having a walk with my wife, and we came across a new project of the expanded deck, or the elevated deck, that's going to go into the greenlands. Not too many people walk that. Most of us walk on the concrete paved area, but this will allow more people, particularly the disabled, because it's also wheelchair friendly. So a great idea by the uMhlanga community.